How to create an Outlook account. Open browser from taskbar or from Start menu, Programs. In search bar type Outlook and press Enter. Click on Outlook from search results. Choose Create an account from the bottom right side. Here you need to choose your email ID. Now your password does need to contain 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols, and click on Next. Make sure to remember email ID and password. Enter your first name and last name in the fields and click Next. Date of birth. I'm gonna put some information here. This you need to enter your birth details and click on Next. Here is the security check to know that you're not a robot. Click on Next to solve the puzzle. Click Yes to stay signed in or No. We're just gonna wait for this to load up and should be ready with Outlook account. And that's it, you can get ready with your Outlook account right now. Let me just give a quick tour. Inbox for all your incoming mails. Here is a welcome email from Outlook team. Right here compose to make an email, so just click right there to send out an email to anybody. If you like to look up your settings and stuff like that's gonna be on top right corner. If you click here you can also look at your account itself. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.